How to cure bad breath? Bad breath, also known as halitosis, is a common problem that affects many people. It can be caused by a variety of factors, such as poor oral hygiene, certain foods and drinks, and even certain medical conditions. In this video, we'll be discussing ways to cure bad breath permanently. The first step in curing bad breath is to maintain good oral hygiene. This includes brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, and using an antiseptic mouthwash. Brushing and flossing help to remove plaque and bacteria that can build up in the mouth, while mouthwash can help to kill any remaining bacteria. Another important step in curing bad breath is to scrape your tongue. The tongue can harbor bacteria and debris that can cause bad breath. Using a tongue scraper or a toothbrush to gently scrape the surface of the tongue can help to remove these bacteria and freshen breath. Drinking water is also important in curing bad breath. Saliva helps to neutralize and wash away bacteria in the mouth, and drinking water can help to keep the mouth hydrated, which can help to prevent bad breath. Additionally, drinking water can help to flush out any food particles that may be stuck in the mouth, which can also cause bad breath. Avoiding smoking and alcohol can also help to cure bad breath. Both smoking and alcohol can dry out the mouth, which can lead to bad breath. Additionally, smoking can stain the teeth and contribute to other oral health problems. It's also important to visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Your dentist can help to detect any oral health problems that may be causing bad breath and can provide treatment if necessary. Additionally, a professional cleaning can help to remove plaque and bacteria that may be causing bad breath. By following these tips and maintaining good oral hygiene, you can cure bad breath permanently. Remember to brush and floss regularly, scrape your tongue, drink water, eat a healthy diet, avoid smoking and alcohol, and visit your dentist regularly. With these simple steps, you can have fresh breath and a confident smile. Another factor that can cause bad breath is dry mouth. Saliva helps to neutralize and wash away bacteria in the mouth, so if your mouth is dry, the bacteria can grow and cause bad breath. Drinking water, using a humidifier, and avoiding certain medications that can cause dry mouth can help to prevent this. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can also help to freshen breath. Chewing gum increases the flow of saliva, which helps to neutralize and wash away bacteria. It's important to choose sugar-free gum, as sugary gum can actually contribute to bad breath. If your bad breath persists despite following good oral hygiene practices, it may be a sign of a more serious underlying medical condition. In this case, it's important to visit your doctor to rule out any medical conditions such as sinus infections, acid reflux, or diabetes that may be causing your bad breath. Another way to cure bad breath permanently is by using probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that help to balance the bacteria in your gut. When the balance of bacteria in your gut is off, it can cause bad breath. Taking a probiotic supplement or eating probiotic-rich foods can help to restore balance and freshen breath. Using essential oils can also help to cure bad breath permanently. Essential oils such as peppermint, clove, and tea tree oil have natural antiseptic properties that can help to kill bacteria in the mouth and freshen your breath. They can be added to water and used as a mouthwash or added to a diffuser to freshen the air. By following these tips and maintaining good oral hygiene, you can cure bad breath permanently. Remember that bad breath can be caused by a variety of factors, so it's important to address all of them in order to achieve fresh breath. With a little effort, you can have fresh breath and a confident smile. Another important step in curing bad breath is to limit the consumption of certain foods and drinks that can contribute to bad breath. Foods that are high in sugar and starch can create an environment in the mouth that is conducive to bacteria growth. Additionally, foods that are high in sulfur such as garlic and onions can cause bad breath. Drinking green tea can also help to cure bad breath permanently. Green tea contains antioxidants and catechins that help to kill bacteria in the mouth and freshen your breath. Additionally, green tea can help to reduce inflammation in the mouth, which can contribute to bad breath. It's also important to clean your tongue regularly. A lot of bacteria and food debris can accumulate on the surface of the tongue, which can contribute to bad breath. Using a tongue scraper or a toothbrush to gently scrape the surface of the tongue can help to remove these bacteria and freshen breath. In addition to traditional flossing, using a water flosser can help cure bad breath permanently. A water flosser uses a stream of water to remove food particles and bacteria from between the teeth, which can help to freshen breath. Lastly, using a nasal saline spray can also help to cure bad breath permanently. A nasal saline spray can help to moisturize the nasal passages and sinuses, which can help to reduce the risk of sinus infections. Sinus infections can cause bad breath, and by keeping the nasal passages moist, it can help to prevent this. By following these tips and maintaining good oral hygiene, you can cure bad breath permanently. Remember that bad breath can be caused by a variety of factors, so it's important to address all of them in order to achieve fresh breath. With a little effort, you can have fresh breath and a confident smile. Thanks for watching!